So tell us, what is going on right now?
I am making up a fruit plate to have with our champagne. We're gonna have a bit of a champagne breakfast after we load some furniture into the pod as a celebration that we're leaving. The unveiling.
That's right. What's inside this pod?
And behind this door. Things for the next year or so.
So what's happening now?
Right now, George has arrived, so we can actually load the pod. Woohoo! New arrival.
It's huge.
Okay, so, whoops.
Yeah, I want to see.
I was actually gonna put it on the other side is what I was thinking in my mind. Like the back facing over there, facing outward toward the house.
Will it fit that way? Like,
yeah, I would just like that, only facing the direction. Do you want to come over here and hold the camera and I'll turn?
Well, what difference would it make?
I don't know, it was just in my mind's eye how to...
It won't make any difference.
George gets the camera. Hi, fans! Oh, don't make me turn it off! How would you like to do the honors? The champagne for us?
Got
No,
it.
I'm terrible at
First thing in the morning, this is kind of
It's
crazy.
champagne breakfast.
Yeah, in Sandpoint, we just have champagne in the morning. Because you know the power may go out. And then we don't really give a shit.
saying farewell to George.
Kind of hard to visualize. I'm kind of have concepts in my mind about, you know, like putting soft stuff that's lightweight on the couch and the chair, and put heavy stuff over here where you are. But I'm also like, okay, I need to get mattresses in here. How much of the space do I need to put the mattresses in, or am I going to put them across? Anyway, meanwhile, I want to put this plastic covering over the top of these to protect them from other stuff that's going on top of them.
Time to dismantle the TV.
This looks way better than it did a few minutes ago.
Yeah, that's true. But that's kind of what I figured when we were doing it, but it was hard to tell.
Yeah, it's hard to know how much stuff was gonna be in here. speaking of which, do we have any more stuff to go
Yeah,
back
let
here?
me go look. I think there's probably more stuff back here.
Okay. The excitement so far this morning was getting a splinter from my floor under my fingernail. Pull it out again though. Having the screen is a little bit distracting actually. I should be looking there, not there. Some odds and ends left, and some mattresses, which come out tomorrow. I don't know. Guess I'll put these down here. Well, this is it. Well, this is really the end. My last trip through everything. I was in here the other day doing my last look through the house and I realized I'd have to go back because I wasn't filming it. So this is my real last trip through the house and office. This is the yard. The house I grew up in. 19 years. This is my room. Bye. And these other rooms weren't mine, so goodbye. So do you want to tell us what you're doing?
I was just wrapping up the last pieces.
The pod is loaded.
You did it! Yay! My kids are out of here today. It is Saturday. I am out of town Thursday morning. And Kai did basically all the packing, left me room to put last minute things in, and that's it. I don't know, I guess I should be waiting to buy the house.
Yeah, none of the viewers.
It's been real, but it's been fun, but I've been real fun. See ya! Hasta luego!
You got a DSLR. What do you need another
nice.
camera for?
Yeah, I'm point to, because it's smaller.
Yeah.
DSLRs are nice, but they're so bulky, you know, so that's really cool. And I like that flip thing.
Yeah.
That's really handy too.
It is. This is a
So,
pretty good
How
one.
much was the tripod?
$100.
Whew, God, my tripod was 80 or 90 back in the day. But
Yeah, I spent a bundle on our vlogging stuff, so it better be worthwhile.
well, it's gonna be fun whether we
Yeah.
make any money off it or anything.
Just mirror image it in your mind.
I'm not gonna be. I won't be able to pack now.
Reverse that warped mind of yours. That's when we do one of these orb things where we'll hold the orb.
Hold the dusty orb.
Juggle these.
I don't think so. Like it would hurt trying to catch it. Yay for Merwin's. That's where I got this stuff.
Really?
Merwin's is good.
Not Merwin's. Bellwoods.
Oh, okay. I was gonna
Merwin's.
say, really?
Hi, hardware store.
They really do have everything. Orbs. Send me to the orb section. Well, thanks. I don't know about you guys.
Thanks for my bottle.
Sad news, the sunglasses are broken. Beyond repair. Well, maybe not beyond repair, but gotta leave him all the same.